Good morning. I hope you are having a great Monday. I hope you guys are also getting ready for some turkey. I know I am. We only have, not including today, 1.5 more days until break, so I'm super excited. So today for our lesson, we're going to talk about fixed and growth mindset. So I want you to think about what is a mindset. A mindset is how you think and how you perceive things. So your attitude about things, your feelings about different things, experiences, abilities. So let's just look at the visual that I'm sharing with you right now. We have a head with a lock on it and a head with a light bulb. So first I'm going to talk about on my left a fixed mindset. What is a fixed mindset? This is a person who does not want to try new things. They avoid challenges and they do not want to better themselves as a learner. They think they're already good enough and they don't need any help. Let's look at a growth mindset on my right with the light bulb and it's green. A growth mindset is a person who wants to learn new things. They want to try new hobbies and abilities and do new things and learn new content in school and try their best and work hard to be a better person, to learn from their mistakes. This is a growth mindset. Growth mindset love challenges and they see failure, excuse me, as a way of bettering themselves and learning from their experiences. So on a side note, if you've ever heard of mistakes make you stronger, I am sure that that you have been with me last year, you know, and I have said this to you before, that we all learn from our mistakes and everyone makes mistakes and that's what makes us a better person. And sometimes we just need to make a mistake and realize, okay, I didn't like that. That wasn't me. Um, and learn from it and better ourselves, and that's okay. So, today we're going to be talking about the difference between the two, fixed mindset and growth mindset. And ultimately, we want you to start thinking that when you are having a mindset about something or there's something that you don't want to do, you need to think, okay, what would be better for myself? Would it be better for me to learn from this experience and better myself? Or would it be better for me to be stuck in my ways and not want to try new things and not learn new content? So ultimately, we want, as individuals, to grow each and every day at school, at home, from our experiences and be a better person. My next slide. What kind of mindset are you? So I want you to think about that. I'm sure even myself as an adult, I go in between the two, fixed and growth, but I need to stop myself and remind myself that this can better me as a person and I can learn from this experience. So we ultimately always want to try to be a better person and have a growth mindset. So I have some examples for you, and I just want to talk about, okay, we're going to identify if they are growth or fixed mindset. So let's look at the first one. It says, I'm not good at this. I'm going to say that's a fixed mindset because if you're not having a good attitude about it and you're thinking that you're not good at it and you don't want to better yourself to be better at it, that's a fixed mindset. Let's look at the second one. I'm awesome at this. That's a growth mindset. You're trying your best. You're doing what you need to do to be really good at it. And lastly, you're being confident, which is something that we always want to have. The third says, I give up. That's a fixed mindset. You don't want to better yourself. That's fixed. It's good enough. I think depending on how you say this one, it could be either or, because I know sometimes in our social skills group discussions, sometimes there's always an exception to how you say something because tone of voice has a lot to do with how you perceive things. But the way I'm reading this, I think this is more of a fixed mindset because you don't want to better it to make it great. And the last one, this is too hard. I think that's also a fixed mindset. So I would like you for our assignment today to look at the two videos below and watch them. They will explain a little bit more about the difference between a fixed and a growth mindset and why it's important to have a growth mindset. There is also a follow-up activity. I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day, and I hope to see you very, very soon.